Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDC from Uphold to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're navigating the crypto world, moving funds between exchanges is a common task, and I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure it's seamless and secure. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this tutorial will save you time and potential headaches. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Crypto.com. Your accounts should be fully verified to avoid any delays or restrictions. Think of this as your crypto safety net. Also, double-check that you have USDC in your Uphold wallet. If not, you'll need to deposit or buy some first. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the USDC asset from your portfolio. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the main screen. Step 2. Choose the withdrawal method. Since we're sending to Crypto.com, you'll need to select a cryptocurrency network that both platforms support, like Ethereum or Solana for USDC. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but be mindful of any network fees that might apply. They can vary based on congestion. Step 3. Get your Crypto.com wallet address. Open your Crypto.com app or website, go to your USDC wallet, and copy the deposit address. Make sure it's the correct one for USDC on the same network you selected in Uphold to prevent any errors. Step 4. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Uphold. Double-check everything, the amount, the address, and the network, to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. Once you're confident, hit Confirm. You'll likely get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. After initiating the withdrawal, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the funds to appear in your Crypto.com wallet, depending on the network. While you wait, monitor the transaction on a Blockchain Explorer for real-time updates. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets safe. And remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDC from Uphold to Crypto.com in 2025. It's simpler than it sounds once you get the hang of it. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.